Just last week, we removed the subframe from this 2006 Acura TL. This week, we'll be reinstalling the subframe and taking it for a quick test drive. So we're almost home free. Let's get the steering knuckles in the car. So now we have the vehicle safely on the ground, so let's take it for a quick test drive and make sure that we have no issues in terms of the steering, the suspension, nothing like that whatsoever. Okay, here we go. Alright, now I'm not going to jump on the highway. This vehicle is not insured or registered right now, so just a quick drive around the block. And let's see how we do. Okay, so what I'm listening for are any creaks, cracking, clunking. I want to make sure everything's nice and quiet. I did adjust the toe a little bit. When I put everything back together, I noticed that the tire, it was a little too much toe in. So in other words, I had to straighten out the wheel. But certainly this will need an alignment after striking that curb very, very hard. The other thing is the wheel is completely destroyed. It's so beat up that I have, even at 15 miles an hour, I have some vibration in the steering wheel, so we'll need a new wheel at the very least. And I think we're in good shape. I'll take it for a better test drive later on. Once I get some tags and insurance on this car, I'll jump on the highway. So thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, please leave it below. I'm going to clean the car. It's so dirty. It's been sitting in the garage for a month pretty much. And till next time, thank you for watching.